Quiet as a mouse now. It's cold here.
Oh no, you're nuts frozen to the porch. Oh, that sucks.
We just got the new tank on her, new fuel lines, so she's running on her own now. We're gonna let this warm up. We're gonna drain all this out. We got a new radiator for it. Finally came in, it wasn't bent. She's running good. Needs to smoke all that off the manifolds. Super quiet. As opposed to before where it sounded like a pulpwood truck. And then we got a ton of vacuum lines we got to fight and sort through. I noticed our headlight buckets aren't going down. We got to figure them out. But it's like eating a whale, you one bite at a time. We're charging now, so that's good.
So I got that going for me, which is nice.
We got our timing pretty close to being spot on. We've got heat. And the vacuum on that setup seems to be working good. It selects from, defrost to vent to foot quite well. This is a factory CB car. And with the factory CB, you get a neat antenna on these Lincolns. Take it up. All right. Bring her down. All the way down. How cool is that? We've got 3 gallons of gas in it, so we're still low fuel. I had some good footage yesterday. We put new brake lines on this gal, went through the engine, got it running tip top, and then somehow every bit of it went missing.
It's a wash.
So today we're gonna get her out of the shop, driving on her own power, get her cleaned up, start getting it put back together. We gotta install this. Kicker. We got a sub for the trunk. And all this is gonna be hidden. You're not gonna see any of it. But she needed new door speakers. So she's got a new set of door speakers. We'll go ahead and put a little amp to it. We got a Memphis head unit, runs off your phone. All of it be hidden, you won't be able to see it, but you'll be able to play some modern tunes. We're getting the mark clean. We pulled the back seat out. Focus. Yeah, the Continental. There's the build sheet. Get this. Check this out. Underneath the back seat, that plastic is the original plastic that went on the center seat belt when it was new. It's still on it. It's crazy. There's the build sheet identifications. This is collector series. I think we're gonna get these laminated. Pause it if you know what you're looking at. Too cool. What we doing?
First drive in the 79 Lincoln.
The 13,000 mile 79 Lincoln. I'll throw a few on it. Oh wow. Rides like a Cadillac, dare I say. Quiet. It's a bit intimidating with no hood on it. Wow. Speedo's working. Well, it ain't bad for what we thought might have been locked up once upon a time. No doubt. Whoa. Look at turn signals working. Oh, you know, it'd make me sick.
And throw a rock up.
Busted windshield and original window. Oh, that'd be bad.
Would be very bad. We'd be running him now.
I don't know where he's gonna find an original 79 windshield at.
You better start looking.
I don't know if that was dirt we picked up or if that was more debris from the mice. All right, now we see if it does a burnout. We've got enough test and tune under our belt.
Let's see it.
Just hammer down.
Mushy barking tires.
I am not doing it. I was joking. I bet it will. I ain't even gonna full barrel up. I hear a vacuum. I hear it.
Mm-hmm.
Second. Third. We got all the gears.
3 years. Like a champ.
On the brakes will stop on a dime, man. All right, good enough for me.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're gonna start it cutting and buffing it. This is probably gonna run into another video, but we'll show you a bit of a sneak peek as to where we're at. It's cold. We got the old turbo unit blowing. Where'd BB?
In that box.
Oh yeah, there's Bean. Isn't that right, Bean? Bean's okay. She's just asleep.